It has got to have been like years since I had a banana. So I'm gonna try them again, see if I like them finally. I don't know. Still freaking gross, man.
Would it be better if it tasted like a popsicle?
So what's happened since I've seen you last? Even though it's only been like 3 days, I got my nose pierced. I finished an album. I got arrested. I mean, I haven't, but maybe by the time I post this, I'll be arrested. Oh, sorry I couldn't post this vlog as soon as I'd like to. Some stuff happened.
24-pack of Budweiser for $15.49 if you like email for this rebate for $3. Hey, you gotta get my good side.
Hey, what are you doing?
There's no end in sight. I hate my life.
Been in Safari for like 3 days now.
He's been doing this for hours. What are you doing?
I'm acting. There's been a dude out there taking these boxes to this giant bin every day.
It's likely trash.
Let me tell you about talking about my cousin that way. There he is, just taking out the trash. Every day, dude.